So greetings family, what you're looking at is the future of Africa for the Africans Tourism Investment and Bomani Technology, along with our repatriation efforts for our people to return home. So what I'm showing you is visionary stuff, and we can make it work with your support and assistance.
Yeah, so we're going to go all the way back close to that rock. That'll be your boundary.
So this is the land we're looking to acquire, family. You see the mountains up there? We can do mountain climbing, skydiving and all kind of stuff. Bungee jumping.
Shoot, if you bring it here. Seriously, I wanted to do, you know, over there I want to do a retreat, where they do all of that, and not bungee jumping or anything like that, but...
Joking about that part.
Yeah, that, no. But, Nana, you can show me.
Yeah, make sure, when everything processed, they can cut around all the wonderful trees. Don't cut them down.
Okay.
Because the goal is to plant some more fruit trees, make it an official vineyard. You know what I mean? Remember all them trees you have in your yard in Jamaica? Mm-hmm. Yes.
Are you going to flatten a little bit, like make a way to like walk through?
Oh, this will all be cleared.
Oh, it's gonna. The goal is to make it look like a nice permaculture mix, technology and nature.
You know, now it hasn't been demarcated. This is raw land. Like,
raw land, family.
Yeah.
This is the headquarters of the future Africa for the Africans operation, family. You're looking at it.
Was it that way?
So make sure you take out your checkbooks and write them fat checks and send them on into our corporate headquarters in Jonesboro, ATO South.
That's what you need.
Yeah, this is the business right here. That's why I need a lot of hard working brothers to work this land.
Go that way.
Go that way, all right.
Let's go that way. If you come this way.
So I see what this is, right? They already got me worked out of it. This is my underground bunker.
I don't want to tell you what that is.
Don't tell nobody.
Oh, we already know.
Come over this side.
You don't have to tell me. I know what that is.
Come over this side.
Well, we're gonna expand it, and we're gonna make it full bulletproof, rocket-proof, missile-proof, tornado-proof, torpedo-proof, all that good stuff.
Root is on the land.
This one you can use to make it look bricks.
When it's cleared off, we have a way to climb out.
Yeah, and this is where we can put the snipers on. Yeah. And we gotta, and up here we can work on the tower. That way if we see invaders coming, we can just take them down.
If anybody wants to turn back,
so family, this is...
let them know that they can.
So anybody that wants to turn back,
they can.
We're not there?
Yeah, we're gonna climb the mountains and jump off in a parachute.
We're not.
So family, this is a beautiful land here, family, and we have a nice GoFundMe set up, and we appreciate all the love and energy from our family, because all of this helps, along with our business profits and our own personal energy, to make this happen.
Of course, when you officially get here, all of this will be clear, and you have to have it demarcated. But this is your boundary that they've cut. So when the demarcator comes, he'll use this boundary. That's how you find out how many acres or how many plots you have.
All right, perfect. Yeah, this is incredible. I love the slope that it's on. It's like perfect for irrigation.
No, it doesn't go off.
No, it goes, this is the end here. It goes across.
And then we just connect back there in the back end.
Yeah.
Oh, go to this side.
Yes, family, this is the future land of the Africa for the Africans Tourism Investment, Bomani Technology,
Yeah, it's a beautiful view.
and the
Yeah,
repatriation movement.
All you need is a house right here. You can see it's so beautiful.
As a matter of fact, family, you see we already got fruit trees on the land, so that's always a great thing. No?
And because it is rocks, the water is like spring water. When you do tap it, when you get your bottle
Right.
or whatever you do.
This is papaya tree. Got bananas, got coconut. Family got all kind of things.
Peppers.
We got peppers. So when they clear the land, they know not to clear all these things, right? Because I want to avoid regrowing these things.
This they use it for soup.
For soup?
Yeah.
Yeah. What can I be in this?
It's
Kind of
And that's corn, right?
like
it goes
like
that way.
contemporary.
Yeah, you can mix it with contemporary.
No, no.
Uh,
It goes that way.
Smell good.
It's not back here.
that way.
Yeah.
Okay.
So this isn't a part. Your line, it goes from that place. There's a stick here. That's, you know what that is?
Which one?
This one.
Mango tree?
Try
Chocolate
again.
tree? What, banana?
You said what?
This one.
Chocolate tree.
Avocado,
Yeah, cocoa.
Cocoa tree, yeah.
And then a big mango tree, so that's a part of the property, a big mango tree right here.
Nope, it's not.
All right, what we're gonna do is
But you have one.
we're gonna redo the boundary.
I'm gonna put that one
Oh,
around.
for that, it's easy. Once you decide, you just tell me what you want planted. And the idea is to plant the trees on the sides of your boundary so that it doesn't take up any building space that you may want to build on.
Yeah, absolutely, and I like that energy of the permaculture based on the Ghana
Yeah.
Permaculture Institute that you introduced us
Even
to.
they come out.
Permaculture, what is that?
They,
Where you're living in nature,
okay.
and you're making your soil as fertile as possible, and you're rotating your crops, and
Okay.
you're making it just
Oh, yeah, yeah. We went to see the,
Permaculture Institute.
yes, yesterday.
Yeah, so even some of those ideas from what they have there is the goal to to work this
they will
land.
even come out and give you ideas. If you wanted to have, like, let's say a water feature, they will tell you the best place for it and why. Yeah, they're really good. So there's a pillar at the end here. Yeah, keep going.
Also, it cuts across. Wow,
So
this
all
is
of this is your.
that is amazing. Look at all the banana tree and things.
Look at the view.
So this is
Because you're up high.
this is part of the 8
That's
plots.
the pyramid, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yes.
Is that the pyramid?
Yes, I see where both of the communities can connect.
Yeah.
So that is perfect. My sister, job well done. Appreciate it. This I couldn't ask for anything better. So we're gonna close this deal.
Good, good, good.
And and I appreciate a lot of love from all of our brothers and sisters who donated to the GoFundMe effort, because that contribution is going towards getting this operation rolling. So family, number love and appreciation. Now we're gonna keep working.
Your pillar is right here, but I think this is the way that we go out.
All right, the pillars is right there.
There's one pillar.
And where is it? Where's
Your bound. Shall we come that way, Nana? Okay, let's go.
all right?
Are your people lost?
This is the jungle family, but we're gonna clear this land, and this is gonna look like.
That's the end of the cloth.
So, yeah, from that. Okay, they just have to get in touch with their ancestral senses.
Yes, my man, I checked him 6 pack.
Yeah, make sure he still did it.
6 pack still did it, for real. Yo, family, we having a blast in Ghana, West Africa, up in the middle of the country, the center. We're in Techiman, the Bronghafa region, and we're looking to do straight nation building, family. We're looking to build a community that we can use as an energy to really just bring more of our brothers home.
A little bit because they're
All right, family, we're gonna hold on for some stragglers, and we're gonna give you some more view of these trees while we're here, and we're gonna wait for everybody else.
So,
But
I still don't know the difference between plantain and banana.
banana.
Maybe while we're standing here, Nana can explain the difference.
exactly, because
Is
I don't
it
think I
all
know
the
either.
trees?
As far as the tree, they all look like banana trees to me.
banana.
Plantain.
Plantain.
But years ago, he
What's the
tried to
difference?
teach
Yeah,
me.
I thought it's all
that
bananas.
there's the red.
How you see bananas? That this part is black.
Oh,
And when you put your hands on it, there are some powders and bananas.
okay.
Like
This one is not no.
no,
You
yeah.
see how we're not connected? Because I didn't know the difference.
Wow.
Yeah, I didn't know the difference either.
Yeah, they all look the
Because
same.
I thought all these are just banana.
I'll show you the difference.
So it says black here,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
This part is black too.
No, the bananas
Cassava.
is black. This seems to be
What?
red.
There's different variety of cassava. That's another thing. I
So the
just-
land come with the land come with riches,
Yeah,
natural
it's-
resources.
It's throwing food at you. The gods want you to eat.
And the
How
good-
can
the
we
good-
be hungry?
Yeah, and the good thing about it, you don't got to go eat that poison food from Walmart, Publix,
you
and
wanna go-
Kroger's and so on.
Remember what they said about the hunters as well. You could see like why the people here are hunters as opposed to when you go to the coastal areas.
Yeah.
People are more Europeanized.
Right, right.
So your boundary is somewhere along here. It will connect to the front.
Oh, and that's you right there in the back,
Yeah.
right here.
Where am I? No.
And then the other plot of land that the other lady
You
has
can. Yeah. There's a.
will
is
be
that a
that back
room?
there.
Oh, that's us there over there. But when you all come, you can cut a pathway to have easy access.
Absolutely, you know, we're family for life, my sister.
A lot of money.
You are a true pioneer because I would have never thought about coming up here to move or build anything. So appreciate
I see corn and other crops that are growing.
Yeah.
Is it grown collectively or?
No.
How is
it's,
that?
Usually how it works is the land is family owned unless they rent it to farmers. So it's like families will have, they know their boundaries. I don't have a clue how they work it out. But for example, here and here is two different lands. So because it was farmland, the land is actually, the chief deals with all the land. Nobody ever owns land that's what I want to say. How it works is stall land, you could only lease it. Nobody, not even Ghanaians, can ever own it. It always is owned by the... And when I say that, it doesn't mean to say that they can come and kick you off your land at any time, but and that's the mentality of us. We are like, we think that paperwork protects us. But here it's like you pass on your land generations. The Ghanaians get 99 years, but I don't even know that they keep up with it. It's like they just live, you know.
Yeah.
But just to tell you that, and then usually for non-Ghanaians, it's 55 years. But yeah, like I said, for everybody, it's like you don't ever own it. It's like it always will be considered stall land.
Yeah, what about passing it on?
Yeah, you pass it on to your
Okay, now
children.
would that, I guess I'm gonna use the word lease. Would that lease be renewed up under the?
Maybe Bucker can, because I've never known it. Nana, have you ever renewed your lease on your land? No. Yeah, you just live. So
It's an
I
auto
think-
renewal, right?
yeah.
Yeah, you can renew it.
But it's like the people, they just live. It's like, it's said for paperwork's sake that that's how it works, but I've never known anybody. Yeah.
Any problem that comes on it to be sent to the chief, and the chief is supposed to answer.
Right, okay. But yeah, the family's just like,
The family is
They'll
you are
just
just
continuously-
farming on it.
no,
And
I'm
the council
saying
point
your,
that-
your house, like let's say this is your land
Yeah.
and you've built a house. Have you known anybody to ever, you know it says 99 years lease. Did you know that? No. You see, so that should tell you something. when you're getting land on the paperwork, for a Ghanaian it will say 99 years. You know here, one of the blessings that we have here, and I don't like to talk on camera, but in a roundabout way, because we are in the bush, the city hasn't reached us yet. So some of the rules and regulations that they have,
They don't have it in the villages.
for example, I had to get a building permit before I built anything when I was in Sunyani. When you buy land in Techimon, the same thing. You have to get your plan done and you have to get it approved before you could even build. And then it's like according to certain codes and everything like that, you have to pay them. That hasn't reached here yet. I don't know whether you've been driving on the bus and you see red writing, big, produce permit. Yeah, that's not here yet.
That's not
So what happens
here,
is
when
when
the land
they
is
do
reached,
reach us, whatever you've built, they accept it from their going.
Yeah.
So now is the prime time to build. That's my point.
Excellent.
because
Because the time may come
Yeah.
when they will have laws,
Yeah.
produce permit and all sorts
Yeah.
of things.
Yeah.
But right now, if you are building, you don't have any ability of bringing
Right.
permits and all sorts of
right.
things.
Oh, perfect.
But I
just
do
build
advise, if you're
straightforward.
doing a big structure, you do get it done by architects so that if they do come and they want to see that your building is to code, yeah, you just show them the
question.
plan.
So how much should you realistically save to build a small house on a piece of land like this?
That is a question I get all the time. And small house to some people can be 3 bedrooms, small house, 1 bedroom, small house, studio. So it differs. But you can, if you're somebody who's into simple living, I'd say 10,000 can get you into a structure. When we go back, I'll show you. I've been doing my house bit by bit. The first thing I did was a room. Then from that room, built out. So I'm living it, well, I've lived in different properties over there, but you can, depending on how soon or how comfortable you want to be, some people, they want their house totally finished. The challenges that I have, like let's say you're in America and you're building. Once it gets to roofing level, you may like certain tiles, you may like certain toilet, shower. So I like people to pick their own, and that price differs. So usually I don't deal with the whole project. I'll say up to the raw stage, and then the person should come and pick out what they like. But like I said, you 10,000 above, depending on your comfortability and how many rooms and everything. So here, this is the boundary. But remember I said
The
about
big
another
tree?
plot.
The big tree, mango tree right
The
here?
mango tree, yeah. This is your boundary, and then it will connect to the road. Somewhere around here is the additional plot.
What? Where's the mangoes at?
It's not there.
This
Oh,
is,
you've missed the season.
That's my favorite breakfast
The
food.
children will come out early in the morning, and the day before, they know, okay, tomorrow that will be ripe. So even before you get to it, it'll be gone.
Well,
Unless you're dedicated like them, or if the tree is on your
yeah, once it's properly locked
So,
off,
you know,
it's a
it
different
goes straight
story.
like this, but because it's bushy. Or are we going to go that way?
Let that go to the road once we are seen.
Yeah.
The one want to pass the boundary.
Should we go
Excellent,
for
appreciate it.
food, to take care of the food before going to the other one, I think.
Yes, good idea.
Okay.
So let's close out on here, and family, we have given you a full view of this. Is we talk about estimated 8 plots, which is estimated 2 acres.
Okay, so your boundary will be down here somewhere. So
And who is in the middle between both of us?
this is, I don't know if you met him before, there was a family living with me when you first came.
Yes, I remember the
So
family.
now they've got their own place. That's what happens. We should help the local people as well as ourselves to grow and expand, because it is about sharing. So yeah, their family is now living here.
So perfect, my sister, perfect. This is
We can
excellent.
cut through actually,
It's excellent.
and you'll see how close you are to the Uni village. You see the pillars already. But it looks nice and neat. You see Sharon? I think he's even done a better
This
job.
is
to tell the
excellent,
truth.
family.
So this is the sister's house. We're back on Bina Village again now. Well, not yet. This is somebody's farm. But this is Bina Village in the back there, and then you'll be here
It's not too
somewhere.
mountainous.
Right.
Your land is not too mountainous. Like we go Jamaica, You have
Yeah,
to walk
yeah,
over
yeah.
some hill.
Yeah, and then
You
you
get to
have,
your nice piece of land.
and you have roadside access too, so that's what makes it so nice. And,
Yeah.
and then you have the back access to the mountains.
I think that's important because to get your materials for building and stuff like that.
Yeah, walk and yeah, walk.
So
Yeah, we climb over mountains, yeah. Yeah, this is a dream come true. And
the temple, this is the sister, oh there she is.
there we go, family. We're back on Benue Village. So, family.
Let's go and let her introduce herself. She's a resident. She came 3 years after I'd been here and built this, so she could introduce herself. She's also originally from America. You see the,
Pumpkin.
no, the watermelon.
Excellent, family. That was amazing, family. And what I want to do is give you a view of the mountain, and we'll link you back, because what we're doing is sharing with you all of the raw details. So that is the mountains where we both share and we both connect to. So family, this is a family affair, and we're nation building. We're making this thing happen, and appreciate your love and support, and we're going to keep it strong. All right, African family, the journey continues.